Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Talkie app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just come here to keep talking button here. You just click on this sign, so that like you see here this color show for us, that's mean here show keep talking button, it's enabled with us now, like you see here when this color show for us. So that's all you have to do to enable it on your Talkie app. So you just follow this for this ways here, then it's going to work with you, then it's going to enable with you here. So that's all you have to do now. I wish now you I get it. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.